This is a 2023 Haas ST-20. This is a live tool version machine. This is in very good shape, hardly used, probably about 400 hours on the spindle. We're just going to go through and do a couple things here. Retract that probe arm. Do the same with the parts catcher. That can go faster, obviously. Do a couple tool changes. Again, that's a live turret. Machine comes with all the Haas tailstocks make that noise, FYI. Just do some rapids here. And then of course, we'll run the spindle. It's just 1,000 RPM. That's 2. Let's have that high intensity light up there that makes it kind of nice. Again, machine cleaned up very well. I think they were cutting a lot of Ren board actually, or Ren material. We'll see little bits and pieces of that. That chuck has not been used. We put that on there. As with all the Haas weight covers, they tend to, I guess, oxidize maybe, so we just kind of polish this one up just so it looks a little better. I don't know. Seems like the right thing to do. It's got the mist condenser on top, chip conveyor, parts catcher, tool presetter. It does have the Haas spindle liner adapter, and this will come with some spindle liners. Just in really super nice shape. This is on our floor in Grand Rapids, Michigan. If you're looking at this video, you've already seen the listings, so I don't have to tell you where we're located and phone numbers and all that, but feel free to call us. I can give you a full quote. We also provide the serial numbers at that time. Again, 2023 Haas ST-20 at Hindley Machine Tool Sales, LLC, Grand Rapids, Michigan, 616-916-5990.